Hey guys, welcome back. Thanks for joining me in the second video in this tutorial series. In this video, like I mentioned before, we're just going to be installing XCode if you don't have it already. I do, but I'll go through the steps with you. To install XCode, you're going to have to go to the App Store. I have a link to the App Store here on my desktop. If you don't, a quick way to get it is to press Command and Space to bring up Spotlight and just search for the App Store. Open up on my other screen here. Once it opens up and fully loads in, there you go. We're going to search for XCode. Just hit enter. It should be this first result here on the top left. It's a blueprint. It's an icon of a blueprint with a hammer in front of it. For you here, it'll say download. I already have it, so for me it says to update, which I'm not going to do right now. It is a pretty sizable download. I see here it says 5.5 gigs, so it'll take a second to download. Go ahead and download it, and then just don't launch it or anything. Just join us in the next video where we're going to be opening up our first project, and I'm going to explain the different parts of XCode and what they're used for. See you then.